So, how do you change your country on Etsy? So, to start off, I have already opened Etsy on my browser on mobile. So, this doesn't really work with the Etsy app. So, I opened it on the browser. Now, here you just need to head over to your account. So, if you haven't logged in, you can log in now. So, here we need to click on account settings and head over to the location settings. And here we need to change our region, and we can choose any region we want. So for this one, I might try going to Singapore and clicking on a different currency, and we just need to hit on save. Now, as you can see, we have already changed our region, and that's basically it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.